People staged a forceful protest demonstration in Jammu against the anti-people policies of the authorities. The protesters raised slogans against the administration and the BJP government in India. The protesters denounced the eviction drive without offering the people due opportunity to put up their claims. A protest rally was held in Muzaffarabad today against the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government's nefarious designs to change the demographic composition of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The rally was organized on the call of All Parties Hurriyat Conference by Jammu and Kashmir Pasbane Hurriyat at Shahid Burhan Wani Chowk against the ongoing eviction cum demolition drive. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, normal life has been disrupted due to shutdown today against the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government's policies to evict the Kashmiri people from their lands and properties. Call for the strike has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. Shops and business establishments in Srinagar and other major cities and towns in the Kashmir Valley are closed. People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti has said the people of the territory are being suppressed in one way or the other, but their sentiments about the resolution of the Kashmir dispute cannot be jailed. National Conference leader Nasir Aslam Wani has demanded an end to the rampant demolition drive in the territory aimed at depriving the local residents of their lands and properties. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has condemned the raids carried out by the India's Income Tax Department officials on the BBC's offices in New Delhi and Mumbai. Indian National Congress has termed the Income Tax Department's survey operations at the BBC offices as an act of intimidation and said the government was scared of criticism. Questions are being raised over the silence maintained by the UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak on the ongoing raids by the tax authorities on the offices of the British Broadcasting Corporation BBC in Delhi and Mumbai in the wake of a documentary that exposed Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's role in 2002 anti-Muslim pogrom in the Gujarat state. Traffic movement was halted today on Srinagar-Jammu highway due to shooting stones in Ramban district of the Jammu region. Traffic police said both side traffic was stopped due to the continuous shooting stones in the highway in Meher area of the district.